Here we are, Pine Canyon Trail number 26, a black diamond trail that stretches 9 miles from Fire Road 6038 to the Pine Trailhead. You can park one car here at the trailhead and the second car up top. Check the weather for flash flooding as you'll be inside a canyon full of washes, and I also suggest a satellite texting device because cell phone reception is pretty much non-existent for at least the first half of the ride. You're also going to be doing about 1,100 feet or so of uphilling, so make sure you bring quite a bit of water. It's not entirely downhill. If you have a non-rider shuttling you up, they can find plenty to do in town while you ride down into town. It took me about 4 hours, but I stopped a lot and ate, and it probably takes the average person about 3 hours. On to the ride.
Road 6038, this is the start. This could be the start of something awesome here. Oh man, my fatty. Not seen in the snow since I left Utah. Shit. I've got to be easy on my brakes because oh, Danny. Oh man, this is beautiful. Drop into these half pipe style. Definitely slow down a lot kind of place. Oh my god, is that real? Okay. Oh my god. I'm just gonna let it roll because I'm probably gonna have to stop again. Okay, very high exposure here.
Total distance 1 mile.
Still high on the switchbacks. How was that? Alright, I think I can make this switch back. It's turning in my direction. Oh god. Yeah. Finally, actually got some turning in. Okay, that's the longest I've gone without hike-a-bike since the beginning. This is where it's at. Putting in miles. Oh my god. Get that down. Yeah. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Can't see my smile, it's bigger than my tires. Yeah, y'all. First air of the day. Here's an air. Yes!
Distance 8 miles. Total time 3 hours, 20 minutes, and 43 seconds.
8 miles. Sound effect improves your handling by 15 to 30%. Results may vary. Or more. Oh yeah, huge air on fire. Thanks. You're the first people I've seen in like 4 hours. Oh my God. Both hands. Oh, that's smart. So yeah, anyway, that's the Pine Trailhead, and that's the ending spot of the ride. 9 miles of pure insanity. In all my years of mountain biking, including 4 years as a racer as a kid, that was easily the hardest thing, or one of the hardest things I've ever done on a bike. So beware. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I answer all my comments in the comment section. Subscribe. This is the beginning of a more regular update schedule. And it's not just a fat bike channel. Even though it says Fat Bike Skinny Legs, it's a mountain bike channel. So tell your friends, subscribe, join, like, share, hit the button, all that stuff.